Hey weather people, I'm here with a video, a weather update pretty much for Winter Storm Taylor, the severe side, and the snowy side. Of course, the blizzard conditions that are possible across the Midwest and North Dakota, Minnesota region, but yeah, let's jump right in. Thank you. If you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you, and please subscribe if you're watching my video. I would really try to I would really be happy if you subscribed to me. I just can't talk today. But yes, this is my second video out on Winter Storm Taylor. This will be on Friday night, but yeah. So you can see this is what the radar is forecasted to look like at about 7 p.m. tonight, which is already 8:35 p.m. So I don't know. It's the 18th ECM, but. Yeah, pretty much some showers in the south from a weak little system coming through. Some snow, of course, in the north. Pennsylvania, parts of northern Virginia. And, yes, but as of, should be at the mesoscale NAM 3km miles, probably better for this area. Yes, this is more of like a high-resolution model. As you can see, some showers across the southeast. By, 1 Zulu, which is 8 p.m. Maybe by now you may be starting to see some freezing rain across Nebraska. Maybe even some snow starting to get into portions of eastern South Dakota or western South Dakota. Freezing rain in western Nebraska as temperatures are still in the upper 30s, mid 30s, not warm enough to support snow. Because if you click here for a sounding, 30 degrees at the ground, but it actually goes up to like 42 degrees in the air, so that's why it's freezing rain. But yes, this is as of, let's skip ahead 3 hours like I normally do. This is 11 p.m. tonight. You can start maybe to see some heavy snow across Nebraska, possibly some heavy freezing rain. If you're not getting that, then maybe some showers. This could be heavy snow. And, of course, let's not let South Dakota out of the region, because South Dakota could also experience some, snowfall. But pretty much no wintry precip on this, only wintry precip on this side of this line, because it's not really warm enough on the eastern side of the United States. But skip ahead another 3 hours. This is 2 a.m. Saturday morning. Well, this was actually Friday at 11 p.m. This is Saturday now, but the winter storm is looking to start to come together, starting to form. I don't know how much millibars it is. I think it's 996. Yeah, I think that's 996, but there could be some widespread freezing rain. It looks like light to moderate freezing rain then to the north. Even heavy snow, maybe extreme northern Nebraska, some snow showers in central Nebraska, maybe in the backside. But southern North Dakota starting to get on the action, and pretty much all of South Dakota could be seeing something right now. But if you also look down by Texas, maybe some thunderstorms getting going through central, like Fort Worth, Oklahoma City could be seeing some. And some showers across Kansas, and the little system out here is given like northern Georgia this portion from some showers. It's not from this system. We go ahead another 3 hours to this is 5 a.m. Saturday morning. Not much has really changed. Thunderstorms across like Dallas, even pushing into maybe Fort Smith, Arkansas. Pretty much no rain except from northern Georgia, pretty much north of Atlanta, which is about right there, pretty much north of Atlanta. Could be seeing some light showers, maybe some lightning, but that's from the other system too, and possibly from this system. But you can see right now it's 992 millibars at 5 a.m. Saturday morning. That's pretty strong for a low-pressure system in literally the middle of the United States. Nothing like in the middle of land like where Canada is, but you know what I mean. You can also see freezing rain, of course, still across southwestern or southeastern South Dakota and northern or central and northeastern Nebraska. You also can't still rule out a light snow flurries or snow showers across Nebraska on the backside, of course, but pretty much all of South Dakota will be seeing wintry precip from the system. This would be 8 a.m. See, starting to push into Minnesota, some freezing rain, heavy freezing rain too at times, and then heavy snow. This system is moving pretty fast. It's just that it's so heavy and stuff. That's why it's really dropping so much snow. But there could be some widespread thunderstorms, possibly starting to get to the severe range across Arkansas, Missouri, maybe Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, western Kentucky and western Tennessee and southern Illinois. Maybe even still in Texas in the backside. Look at that. Still maybe some snow showers coming through Nebraska. But, yeah, heavy freezing rain. Yeah, so at 16 Zulu, this is 11 a.m. Saturday morning. Pretty much freezing rain across portions of Iowa, central Iowa, and southern Minnesota, and then north of that, pretty much just heavy snow, moderate to heavy snow, even maybe getting in Iowa some snow, but looking like there could be some bad storms. So now we're at 2 p.m. Severe storms are mostly limited to like Kentucky, Missouri, maybe, and southern Indiana and southern Illinois. Maybe as north as central Illinois. Let's see what the temperature is going to be there. 39. Probably not going to support severe weather, but down here, it's 53. That can support severe weather. But pretty much the same. Still some snow showers. Maybe you can actually see like 2 and 3 inches and pretty good snowfall up here in portions of northeastern Nebraska. Skipped ahead an extra hour. So, wrapping up the system pretty much. 5 p.m. Tomorrow afternoon, Saturday, with 993, that's 991 millibars. It's pretty intense. Still heavy snow and even some rain in Minnesota. And pushing out of South Dakota and North Dakota. Still maybe lingering snow showers in Nebraska, but yeah, the heavy or severe weather will likely probably be, there could be some isolated severe storms. You can see these little cells, but probably limited to this region at this time. I'll say this region right here, let's clear that. This region probably could be, this is probably limited to severe weather at this particular time, but if we go ahead to 8 p.m. Saturday evening, maybe some backup severe storms starting to form across Tennessee in the backside, but 991 millibars. Look at that freezing rain in Michigan and Wisconsin. It's extremely heavy snowfall for maybe 2 inches an hour rates. That's a lot. Like all of Minnesota could be seeing snow. Heavy snow too. Severe weather will likely probably only be in this particular region, I think. This region probably has at least a marginal risk, in my opinion. I think maybe an enhanced risk back here. Maybe an enhanced risk back here. So yeah, that's going to pretty much wrap up this video. I hope you all have a good evening, and I will be posting this video tonight, and yes, Friday evening. Bye.